Hey, welcome back to the Backwoods Gourmet. Today we got another trash fish or treasure video for you. Or somewhat. Y'all stay tuned. Okay, today's video is going to be on how to make a true Florida cracker backwoods delicacy. That's going to be some deep fried fish roe. Man, I can't wait. So normally we just cook this fish roe up right with the fish we're deep frying. I saved this aside. I had it on ice in a bowl in a bag, so I could do this video for you guys and show you how to do it. And we're going to deep fry it today. And this roe is from sheepshead and black drum, which have excellent eating roe. Most of your saltwater inland type game fish have edible roe. Now if you're worried about fish in your area, if whether the roe is edible or not, hey, hit that Google and check it out. There's a freshwater fish, the freshwater gar. Roe is poison. Okay, so check it out on Google if you don't know from personal experience, or we're here in Florida. This is the East Coast, Atlantic. Sheepshead and black drum, whiting, sea trout, redfish, snook, all those normal fish we catch here, game fish. The roe is edible. It's wintertime here in Florida, so spawning season. So all your bigger fish here this time of year are going to have roe. So we got it set up for a 3 batter method. We got all-purpose flour. We have our egg mayo wash. That's a tablespoon of mayonnaise, real mayonnaise, whipped together with 1 egg. And then we have panko breadcrumb. Alright, so the method for doing this is the same as for doing fried fish. We're going to take our roe. This is beautiful, beautiful roe. It's from the sheepshead and black drum. And some of them are not as mature as others, but that's okay. I go right into, if you got a big one like this, don't try to separate it, and try not to break the roe sacks when you're cleaning it. Sometimes that's hard. You don't know they have it, and then you nick it with a knife. But it's okay. If you do, it'll be fine. So in the flour, into the egg mayo wash. Alright, we're going to turn them in there. Make sure they get completely covered. Straight into some panko. This is going to help to seal them. When I seen this roe, I knew I was going to save it, but I was thinking about you out there in YouTube world. Maybe you never seen this done. I learned this from my grandmother, and I don't know if it's been one of those things that's really been passed down. So I'll show you how to do this. And that is, this is a great edible and very nutritious part of the fish. Probably why the old timers always ate it. If you watch those documentaries on TV of the big grizzly bears out in Alaska catching the salmon in the streams, you'll know that once they start getting full, the only thing they'll eat from the salmon that they catch is the roe, because they know that has the most calories and nutrition of any other part of the fish. So I just realized that there's probably some of you out there that don't know what fish roe is. Okay, fish roe is fish eggs. Okay, same thing. The only thing left to do on the prep on these guys is a nice good shake of our favorite seasoning, Seminole Swamp. Try to get both sides. So we've got out our Lodge cast iron. This is their deep fry pan. One of my favorites for doing deep frying because it has that lid, you know, the slash second skillet you can put on top of there. So when you're done with your oil, you can put that on top. So this is, it's a great pan for frying chicken and for frying fish. Okay, we don't want our oil too hot for these guys, so we're going to test it. We'll just put a couple pankrose in there, crumbs, and if they come to the top and sizzle right away, it's about ready. If you get these, this is a warning. If you put these into too hot of oil, they will pop like crazy. Alright, so we want to go kind of a medium-low heat on them. Plus this panko, you know, browns pretty quickly. And they still may pop, so be ready for that. Okay, time for the plate. We just picked some fresh butter crunch lettuce right from our garden out there. These guys have been fighting freezes and everything else. Just gonna line a bowl with that. I'm gonna come right over with our roe, deep fried. Come right in there with it like that. And that is something that I know if you try, you're going to enjoy. So I know you're probably going to ooh right now because this is this fish eggs. But until you've actually tried this, you shouldn't go ew, because these are delicious. It's crunchy on the outside, creamy. Hard to describe the flavor on the inside. It does kind of have an egg flavor, but it also has a fish flavor. It's very good nutrition, and you know, I never throw these away whenever we catch fish with good roe in them. So next time you catch a fish that has a nice set of roe in it, go ahead and give this a try. Hey, thanks for watching the Backwoods Gourmet. If you like what we're doing, hit that like button right down there. If you'd like to subscribe to our channel, check it out right there. To see our last video, it's right up here. And for a whole playlist cooking fish and seafood outdoors, it's right up here. We'll see you next time.